Good afternoon, students. This is your today's English classwork. This is poem number 4. Good morning, merry sunshine. Good morning, merry sunshine. In this poem, as it is seen in the picture, in this poem, there is a conversation between a girl and the sun. So, she is asking him some questions. Let us start. Good morning, merry sunshine. How did you wake so soon? You have scared the little stars away and shied away the moon. The girl is greeting the sun. The girl is greeting the sun. Good morning, merry sunshine, happy sunshine. And she's asking him, how did you wake up so soon? How come you get up so soon, so early in the morning? And what you did? Look, what you did. You have scared, you have frightened all the stars away and even the moon. See, when sun rises, when sun shines in the morning, we all get up. Before that, we all sleep. In dark, we sleep. At night, we all sleep. As soon as the sun rises in the morning, we all get up. We all wake up. So she's asking the sun, look, you have scared the stars. Stars are gone. You have frightened the stars and even the moon. I saw you go to sleep last night before I ceased my playing. In the evening, last evening, when I was playing, that time, what happened? The sun was setting. During setting of the sun, what happens? It goes down. जब शाम को सन क्या करता है? छिपता है ना, छुपता है. तो उस समय क्या होता है कि उसके बाद में नाइट आती है. Then the girl is asking, I saw you go to sleep last night before I ceased my playing. Before I stopped playing and went to home to study, before that you went to sleep. You went to sleep last night. How did you get way over here? Now, how did you come over here? And where have you been staying? And where were you staying? Where were you? Then, I never go to sleep, dear. Now the sun is answering the girl. As the girl asked him some questions, now the sun is answering girl's questions. I never go to sleep, dear. I just go round to see my little children of the east who rise and watch for me. See, sun said, I never sleep. I never go to sleep. I just go round. I just go round the earth, on the other side of the earth, where there also some little children were waiting for me to get up in the morning, to wake up in the morning. When sun shines, then only we wake up. We don't wake up at night. We sleep at night. But as soon as in the morning our room lit brightly with sunlight, that time we wake up. In the same way, the children were waiting there also in other countries where I go and wake them up. I waken all the birds and bees and flowers on the way. And what he said, sun also said, I not only wake up the children, I waken up the birds, bees, flowers on the way. I have waken up everyone. And last of all, the little child who stayed out late to play. And then I wake up a little child who stayed out late to play, who was playing late at night. I hope you have understood this poem. Write this poem 2 times in your English notebook and write in a neat handwriting.